I'm going to make nice edible bowl. Especially with the kids, you got to do things that they will love it. This is a very great way of introducing salads because I'm going to make a salad and put it in this edible bowl. Very healthy, beautiful with a nice salad, and you will thoroughly enjoy it. This is so wafer thin, this is absolutely fantastic. Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sasriyakal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com, and today I'm going to make nice edible bowl. Especially with the kids, you got to do things that they will love it, and this is a very great way of introducing salads because I'm going to make a salad and put it in this edible bowl. First, all you need to do is take some all-purpose flour, half a cup of flour. With this I can make 2 of them. In this add half a teaspoon of butter, add a little bit of salt. In this I am adding a little bit of oregano. This will give a very nice flavor for this bowl, and I am going to tell you how I am going to Indianize this. I am going to make it so tasty that even Indians will love this nice flavor. In this add 1 tablespoon of curd and make a dough with this. So do not add water or anything, make a dough which we are going to roll it into a sheet, and then we are going to put it in the oven, and then we are going to bake it. This sheet we are going to turn into a cup, and we are going to enjoy the salad in the cup, and then we are going to eat that bowl too. Add a little more of curd in this. Dough is nice and perfect. Add some flour, and then we are going to roll this into a very thin sheet. I am going to make this into a thin sheet. This is perfect. Make it on top of this bowl. Just take it slightly more than this. Don't worry. We are going to make it a nice fancy shaped ball. Approximation. You don't have to make it perfect. And see, look at just less than half a cup of maida. You can make many sheets like this. Take a fork. Just make some holes. And on the edges, we are going to pull it out. Take this sheet very carefully, put it on top of the ball like this, and I am going to do one more trick. Little bit on the just some kind of crunch. This is good. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top. When you take a bite afterwards, this is going to be tasty. So dear friends, you can make these nice edible bowls and they will come out super tasty. Now we are going to put this in the oven, bake it till it gets nice color. For this, I am going to grill a chicken, and this is a chicken breast, kind of slightly bigger size chicken breast. Still, you can make it tender, putting it in the brine, that is the salt water, for 2-3 hours. After which, I kind of marinated with a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little bit of lime juice. And in this, a little bit of olive oil. And the olive oil is not great for grilling, but that is fine because we are going to slow grill this. So here, another spoon of olive oil in this, and now in this, put this chicken, and we are going to grill it well. Usually you put the grill mark like this, and then we are going to cook it on the other side too. Cook it in a slow flame for at least 7-8 minutes so the chicken will be nice and tender. Chicken is getting grilled, the edible bowl is getting done, and here I am going to make the dressing. This is Indian Italian dressing. I am going to use olive oil and the vinegar. Here is the olive oil, and in this, usually you take a little less of olive oil and more of vinegar, and I am not using ordinary vinegar. I am using apple cider vinegar. This apple cider vinegar has a very nice sweet flavor, excellent for salads. Mix all of them. Of course, they won't get mixed. How can? We need to emulsify them. In this, we are going to add some crushed pepper. In this, I am going to add some crushed or chopped garlic, and then we are going to mix this well. In this, we are going to add some salt, and now the Indianness will come in this. Look at this. This is all good. Finely chopped parsley. I am going to spice it up and sweeten it up also. And in this, as I told you, this is Indian Italian dressing. Little bit of chaat masala just for the flavor. If you like it, add it. Otherwise, you experiment. In this, we are going to add some chili flakes. Now this is all emulsified. Taste it. Good. In this, add half a teaspoon of honey to this. This will become excellent. Now you can make your own variations. In this dressing itself, I love to add crushed almonds. Now this is all ready. This will go on top of my salad. The chicken is all ready. I'm going to cut the chicken and make sure you give a nice grill marks. And another thing is about the pan. I know you're going to ask about this pan. So basically this has nice grills here, and this is to give nice marking for the chicken, and the olive oil that is still in the pan, I'm just going to pour it in top in my dressing, and I'm going to let this chicken cool down. That's when I'm going to have that. But here you got to taste this nice Indian Italian dressing with almonds. So there is nothing better than this. This is super out of the world dressing, very tasty. Make it like this and all kisses will fly towards me. Dear friends, the chicken is ready. Let's get the salad together. Various kinds of lettuce, even in Hyderabad, pretty much all over India, in any of the leading stores you can go, you can buy the lettuce. I've got this purple, the curl, and then I've got iceberg. We have romaine and all kinds of lettuce that are available. These greens by themselves, they are okay, but with the dressing and the chicken, the tasting is just outstanding. In this, also I have got some arugula. This is what we mainly use in our Indie Blaze restaurant. Once in a while, I make my own salads, which are not even served in the restaurant. Once you have this lettuce, mix all of them, and in this, you can add any of your favorite vegetables, the capsicum, bell pepper, whatever. Just, fun of it, just to look, I'm adding them roundels like this. And in this, I'm going to add tomatoes. If you have cherry tomatoes, if you can get more fancy vegetables, it's even more better. In this, the cucumber, roundels of them, half roundels. And we can add some cheese also to this so that you can enjoy this salad. Finally, if you cut the hot chicken, all the juices will come outside and your chicken will not be that good. When this is slightly chilled out, then we're going to cut it. So I'm just going to cut it straight into small pieces, and this is going to go on top of my salad. But first, this is all ready. I'm going to keep it on the side. I'm going to put this in a bowl, put the dressing on top and the chicken on top, and enjoy. Dear friends, you have learned how to make this awesome fancy bowl. Very simple. You can make it at home salad with little bit of cheddar cheese. You can add your favorite cheese, and the dressing is out of the world. Trust me. Let's go and assemble all of them together. Now look at this. This is like a feather light. This is so fragile, and this has got that nice chaat masala. Oh, you can bite into it, but this is all perfect. So here is the salad. This is the salad dressing. Pour it on top. Dear friends, this is not ordinary. This is just extraordinary. And you will not be able to get this. Only the chefs, if you have a private chef who will love you, who will make it for you, only they will spend so much of love in making the salad. And now mix all of this. And after adding the dressing, there is no point waiting. You have to boomba right away. This is all good. Look at this arugula. This is already with this dressing. It is going soft, but that's okay. No more time to wait. Nice, colorful, with a little bit of tomato, bell pepper, everything. This is all ready. I'm telling you, the beautiful salad. Now the grilled chicken, bring it and put it on top. Very healthy, beautiful, with a nice salad, and you will thoroughly enjoy it. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Dear friends, the salad is nice, crispy, and when I say Indian Italian dressing, you cannot beat this dressing. Make it and you will see. And the chicken, nice, juicy. The sweetness of olive oil, the flavor, everything is excellent. This salad is for my lunch. You can make it for evening snack, dinner, anything. And and some of you must be curious. This is so wafer thin. This is absolutely fantastic. Dear friends, all I say is eat the best of the best food. And you got to say Vareva. Because every bite is amazing, out of the world.